We gotta get rid of this ugly oval of sapwood, complete with hole, in this otherwise beautiful piece of walnut. I got a script here about the little lies we tell ourselves and how it ties into this. I'm gonna give my daughter a crack at it. She's young, so just bear with her. Okay, maybe a bit too young. That's not gonna work out. The point is, we all like these little happy lies we tell ourselves, like photo filters, a teeth whitener, stevia, reality TV, because they're close to the truth. And even if you don't like those, I think that's a little lie in itself that you tell yourself.